Dear friends, welcome new Community Payments and Donations component by Advanced Communities. The Community Payments and Donations component is based on the Stripe API and provides functionality to collect donations, accept payments, and use subscriptions within a Salesforce community. The component is easy to use. All you need is to provide Stripe API keys and start collecting donations. Drag and drop a component to any community page and customize it according to your needs in a few clicks. Test and leave modes are available. 2 display options, embedded or a pop-up. Enable progress indicator. Define the amount for one-time donations. Use various style options to create a genuine appearance. Set up recurring donations. Create plans and provide their IDs into the Properties box. Enable autocomplete information for logged users. Receive payments for products by putting the product and price book IDs. Community Payments and Donations provides secure and reliable payment processing, both for logged users and community guests. Each user gets a receipt by mail. Control all your payments and donations easily on the Salesforce environment. View the entire information about all transactions and subscriptions. Manage new orders and get new customers. Get the Community Payments and Donations component on the App Exchange.